Hi, today we want to show you how to mount your snapback for the ASTERA tubes, for the Titan and also for the Helios. It's quite simple, it comes out of package like that. And as you can see, we have an airline track over here, and this is the spigot, the counterpart. You just lock it in like that and tighten it up. Then you can put it in your gobo head or in a clamp. We have this little velcros over here. You open it. We have to look first on the one hand here this black side. So this is a little window. And over there we have to face also our display from the ASTERA tube. So just lock it in the right way and secure it with the straps. So now you have an open face, and as you can see, you catch the side light into your side walls in here. If you don't like this kind of hard light or harder light, we have the option with our Magic Glove diffuser that you just velcro in front to get it super soft. But there's also the other option. As you can see, you can change the angle, and by changing the angle, you're also focusing a light into a different direction. Therefore, I want to show you here with the little brother, with the Helios snapback. Turn it on. And I show you on our side what is the effect. So you can change it like that, and we make some little experience now. In the first version, you see the Helios tube by itself. It has almost 180-degree beam spread. Now we are shifting to the snapback with the Magic Glove diffuser in front. This is very nice if you use it very close to your actress or actor. This wraps nicely around. This is the Helios tube, just with the snapback full open, and as you can see, the illuminance is very high, almost 80% plus. Same like with the snapback half open. So you're also gaining in the illuminance, and it's kind of quite nice to control it if you want to focus it on specific areas. Here you see all four in comparison. This possibility to direct your light is quite nice, that you can choose the specific angle that you need for your scene. And there's also another big advantage. As we are catching the light from the side walls, we are gaining 80% of illuminance compared if you would only use the tube. So this is the small brother, same effect with the big brother. And I want to show you also one other advantage. We all want to be quick and fast. Therefore, we need to pack the things quickly from one location to the other location. Just put it together. Take it off your stand. Remove the spigot. And put it in the bag. Here we go. You can take it to your next location. You have everything inside. You have the snapback, the tube, everything that you need, and you can go and unpack it quickly and be ready on your location with a battery light, with the ASTERA Titan tube, as well as with the Helios. Enjoy. Please give us a feedback, and you're always welcome to visit our homepage, DoPchoice.com.